Did you know that histamine that associated with the allergies is also present in the food that you eat on a daily basis? So many people come to me because they have an abdominal bloating. And many of those people have histamine overload. And they cannot break down the histamine naturally present in the food. I have one piece of advice for you. Try this product and see if it works. Dr. Elena's HistDigest. This is an enzyme that's been clinically tested and found to break down food-derived histamine in your gut. You must take it 15 minutes before the meal, otherwise it's just a waste of money. Try it and see what happens. If your bloating related to food is improved, you have a histamine intolerance. And therefore, I would recommend you to stay on a low histamine diet, such as avoiding leftovers, avocados, and alcohol. Or take this mighty pill before meals. Try it and see what happens, and let me know if it worked for you.